Hey there folks, my name's Saul, we're here at Autotek, and today I'm standing underneath this Nissan because we're going to regroup on our Nissan constantly variable transmission problems. Now when Nissan came out with these CVTs, we immediately saw issues. We had vehicles at under the 40,000 mark coming in for repairs that sometimes cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Now as you'll see with this guy, in order to remove the transmission, we physically have to support the engine, remove the front subframe, and pull this guy out of the vehicle. All these components have to come out in order to make that happen. Now, Nissan is aware of the problems with these transmissions in these vehicles. So what they've decided to do is rather than offer you, a better unit, upgraded unit, or maybe something that they know would last a little bit longer, they've gone ahead and just lowered the price. They've decided that rather than give you a more reliable product, the consumer must be interested in the better price. Now, we want vehicles that last a long time. We want you on the road for years, and we want you reliable. That peace of mind is invaluable. So here at Autotek, we offer Nissan CVT transmission replacements with a 3-year, 100,000-mile parts and labor coast-to-coast warranty. Additionally, we rebuild these units in-house, and we're happy to outsource across the country if you need yours rebuilt and you don't want to source a Nissan unit. Now, why wouldn't you want to source a Nissan unit? Well, Nissan only offers a 12-month, 12,000-mile parts-only warranty on their product. What they used to sell for a $3,000 to $4,000 unit, they've now dropped the price 50% on in hopes that the consumer will just be happy with the fact that the product is not that high quality, but has at least a little bit of a price break on them so they can get out of that car and get to the next one. What Nissan has essentially prescribed to is telling their customers that they should buy another car after they fix their Nissan. Well, if you've got a Nissan and you want to keep it on the road and you're not looking to change out of a vehicle due to today's extremely high used car market costs, we'd be happy to get you back on the road. Now these units, while they may not be the least expensive, most cost effective to get you back on the fastest possible, this is the solution. We're tired of seeing folks that have spent thousands of dollars and then less than a year later are back in the dealership with a transmission failure. If you've got a Nissan transmission failure and you want to get it fixed first, fixed right, the first time, every time, come and see us here at Autotek. 303-290-9900.